as you can tell by the intro, your girl is getting to a Bobbiana today. Shout out to Nadula Hair for providing this gorgeous 12-inch Yaki bob and all that good stuff. Great parting on this wig. This is a pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut unit from them, and as you can see, the length is just gorgeous from start to finish, and I was really excited about the customization. You have your grippy material towards the back so the wig doesn't slip off on you, as well as this elastic band so you can adjust it so you don't have to really do too much gluing or hairspraying to this unit if you're not into all of that. But one thing about me, I'm going to always make sure that I have my Ebon New York hairspray close by if I am going to be installing a wig, and that's just going to allow my units to look as realistic on me. I know, like, you know, a lot of these units love to say glueless, but I'm still a hairspray girly because, you know, as you can see, I have a little extra lift at the top, but it still looks really bomb, especially that pre-plucked illusion. So what I'm going to do is just take some extra lace off on my unit because I need to make sure that this fits my hair as much as it can, and that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just taking my hot comb just to press all of the hair back that I don't want to cut, but I will be cutting all of that. I am going to place a little duck clip on the hair that I will be sectioning off, and then adding my hairspray just so this lace can melt into my skin, and then going in with the elastic band that they applied in the box or supplied in the box for us. So I'm starting off with like deep parting. My thoughts with this wig was to go for a more realistic blowout look. I didn't want to go for a straight bob because that's pretty much like, that's like the obvious if you are going to receive a bob. I did want some type of layers, so I will be cutting some dead ends off of the hair. But not only am I cutting the dead ends off, I will be layering some pieces just so it can look more so like a blowout feel on a shorter look natural hairstyle. So I'm going to let you guys watch this part because it's pretty repetitive, but it does have rhyme and reasoning for it. So this is like the last piece that I'll be cutting on camera with you guys, and I'm going to be removing all of that extra lace. Once I remove the elastic band, it's definitely giving what lace at this point. Like, it really did what it was supposed to do, the elastic band. So I am obsessed with the look. I do like to take a little bit more of my hairspray and a little bit of oil sheen just to place right on top, so when I go in with the second apply with the elastic band, it's just going to make sure that everything looks melted but also not crunchy or hard when I remove it the second time. So this time I am going to go in with my Baby Bliss flat iron. I'm taking my biggest barrel and I'm going to be curling the hair under, and I'm also going to do a nice little bump and any extra cutting that I need to do just to make sure that this falls exactly how I want it to. When I do a flip over look, I'm going to do that this time with you guys. So I don't really want like a feathered look, I just want a bumped under look. So that piece right there towards the top I wasn't really feeling, so I will be playing around with that a little bit, but I just wanted to overall like give you guys the look that I was going for, and I really liked the quality of the hair while I was doing it. It really gave exactly what I look for in a Yaki unit. I don't like to really apply Yaki units when they're super, well, what I'll say is I'm not a fan of the Yaki units that come with a super harsh wave to the hair. Like, if I have to go through all of these extra steps to blow the hair out so I can achieve a very nice bone straight look, that's the type of Yaki units that I stay away from because I don't really have time to be doing all of that. That's just like my opinion. So if I can get a unit that is Yaki hair and it does come bone straight automatically, and I can pretty much manipulate it to my liking, then that's the type of Yaki hair that I'm looking for. So I think Nadula did a great job with hunting for this Yaki texture and placing it on their website. I really love the length. I love the quality. I felt like it gave very natural hair tea, and it just looked good towards the end when I was going for this more feathered layered look. So I am going to bump it one more time just to give you kind of like a different style. I love the construction on the unit, and I just loved how natural the pre-plucked illusion looked even after doing the cut off of the lace, because sometimes that is necessary if you want this to look like a wig that is customized for you. You're going to have to customize it, or if you want this, especially if you want the unit to look like it was made for you, you are going to have to customize it. So right here, I'm just placing the duck clips on the hair. I gave you guys a little bit more of a parted look this time, and just showed you guys how the quality is just coming together, and it really gives natural hair tea. So I'm so excited to do several different looks with this hair. I'll probably do some like rods in it soon, but overall I love the quality. I love the density. It just came all the way together, and I will link all of Nadula's information down in the description box below if you guys are interested in receiving a unit from them. If you're looking for something that is kind of like more so your natural hair type, not so silky straight, not so shiny, this is going to be the unit for you. Great customizing once again to this unit. I did get a small cap size, so it just fit super snug to my head. And not only was it a smaller cap size, I did have that elastic band that is going to allow you to get a very snug fit to your unit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was just giving like 90s babe, just real calm, chill, but it really just ate. So once again, I will link all the Nadula information down in the description box below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye, girlies. Nadula.